Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and close your eBay account. Okay? Now, all you need to do is where you see your name here at the top left, hover over this, and then I want you to go ahead and click on Account Settings. Okay? Now, on this page, under Account, right, we have Account Preferences, and the last option right here is Close Account. So you just need to go ahead and click on this. So remember guys, once you go ahead and close your account, you'll no longer be able to sell on the website of my eBay. You'll basically lose all your feedback, all your purchase and sales history as well, right? And if you want to actually go ahead and close your account still, is come all the way down here and you'll see this blue button that says close account. Just go ahead and click on this and it will open this up in a new tab. Okay, you just have to tell them the reason why you're actually leaving, right? You can choose any reason, whatever your reason are, and then you can go ahead and toggle any of these on. Okay, you can just go ahead and close it and make sure you turn this check mark on and click on submit. Okay, and once you do this, they'll receive the request to close your account, and within 24 hours, they'll actually send you an update on the status of your request to your registered email address. Okay? And otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.